Hi kids, I am broadcasting to you live from my workroom. I just have to give you a little disclaimer. My foster kitty, Sir Jonathan Willoughby, is in here and he may or may not jump up on the drawing, but hopefully he won't, but if he does, we'll just deal with it. Alright, so the directions that I am demonstrating right now are in your Schoology account in the materials folder for this week. So you can maybe print them out or just read them over and then watch the video, and then you should know what to do. So you're going to do this on a piece of paper in your sketchbook, or if you have a bigger piece of white paper at home, you could do it that way. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to draw a 6-inch line, which is a little smaller than what the directions say. But what you're going to do is take your ruler and you're going to kind of line up this edge of the ruler, the left edge of the ruler, the left edge of the paper. And because the paper is 9 inches wide, you're going to start at 1.5 and you're going to draw to 7.5. And that is going to give you a 6-inch line. Now, on the right side of the paper, you're going to draw your vanishing point right there. And then you are going to make a big, what looks like a big triangle to start out with. So you're going to line up the bottom of this line with your vanishing point and the top of the line with the vanishing point. Whoops, oh my goodness, that's really weird. Like that. And if you make a mistake, like I just did, you can just erase it like that. Okay, so then you are going to draw the first letter that you saved into that Word document. So the first letter that I saved was a letter K, which what is the first initial of my name. So what you would do is then, looking at your saved letters, you would put in your first letter. And I'm just kind of making these up as I go along. But you would want to look at the typography and the typefaces that you saved. Okay, then once you get the letter in, you're going to line up the ruler so it's parallel to the side of the piece of paper, and you're going to draw the back edge of that wall, we're going to call it. Then on the instruction sheet, it says to measure back 3/4 of an inch before you draw the next line. You can just eyeball it, 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch. Either one is fine, but you might want to erase in between just to kind of like get the hang of the fact that like this is one wall and then this is another wall. Okay, so then you're going to draw your second letter. And I'm going to do my middle initial, which is the letter A. And again, you guys, you're going to use the letters that you saved. Oh my goodness, that looks really bad. But you get the idea. And obviously you want to do the best job that you can. All right, so let's say that you've then drawn in your second letter. Then you are going to put in the back edge wherever it seems like it looks good. And again, it's got to be parallel to the side of your paper. And then once again, you're going to leave a little bit of a gap. And again, it might be helpful to erase so that you see that these are separate little sections. And then you can put in your third letter. And in my case, it's the letter M. And I'm just going to make it really simple just for our demonstration. And then you're going to put in your final back edge. Now, if you did 4 letters, then you're going to do another one, but it's going to be really, really tiny. But if you didn't do 4 letters, then you're done at this point. Okay? All right. Now, in order to make the letters, or excuse me, the walls that the letters are on look like they have thickness, I want you to imagine that there is a vanishing point somewhere off to the right, okay? And you're going to angle the top down and the bottom up. And then you're going to draw a vertical line, and that's going to give you that thickness. Now, for these, all you're going to do is you're going to angle down till you get to the other side and up till you get to the other side. Down and up. And that's really it. And now you have your 3 letters and 3 different typefaces on these walls that look like walls that are on a, that are drawn in 2-point perspective. So that's the first few steps in this project, and then I am going to give you or make another video showing you how to balance it out and use our principles of design to create a really cool composition. But this is how I want you guys to start out. So go ahead and give that a try, and that's it. Message me if you have questions or comments, and I hope this helps you out. Okay, bye.